Hello guys, in today's video we're reviewing this 2023 Dodge Challenger wide body Scat Pack. This Challenger is a very awesome car on a nice platform. I love the stance, I love the body lines, I love everything about this Challenger. If I can have an ideal daily driver, I think this will be a great option vehicle. This is available in the 6-speed manual transmission, but you do have an option for an 8-speed automatic transmission. But I do love the engagement with the manual shifter, the feel, the fit, just everything about it. Look at that stance. We're gonna take this thing for a drive. Let's start her up, go over a couple things. Everything on this car is completely stock. We do have 3 pedals, 1 clutch, brake, and then gas. And then here goes your 6-speed Tremec transmission. Very firm, direct feel to it. Feels pretty good. Do get a lot of accessories here. Nice screen, climate, and then your controls. This is fully optioned out. You get heated and ventilated seats. The only thing we're missing up top is the sunroof. You get heated, ventilated seats for driver and passenger. Get different apps, get configurable drive mode, so you can put it in fully track, sport, custom, and then you get auto, and then you get nav, Bluetooth, and then different settings. And then also in here, where we're at, get your SRT dashboard so you can see your launch control, your page performance, line lock, and just everything. Like, this is literally made as an everyday daily driver and still can go out and go on the track. A lot of physical buttons here, volume controls, drive modes, launch, sensors, traction control, a lot of carbon fiber here as well. A couple USB ports in there. Let's take a look at your window sticker. Fully option out, this car is around $72,000. Base price starts at $48,265. And all these options and destinations, you're at $72,605. This does have a 6.4 liter V8 up under the hood. Has about 485 horsepower, 475 feet-pounds of torque. Fuel economy is 14 city, 23 highway. You do get a little bit of a better gas mileage with the automatics. Powered by SRT. This is one beautiful engine. I took a test drive in a Dodge Charger. Love this engine. Dodge did an awesome job designing this, and this is the last call. It's unfortunate that after this year, they will no longer be making this car. Hood scoop looks nice. I love these are actually made for airflow. Keeps this engine cooled down. Just look at the stance on the side of this Challenger. This has been one heck of a car to drive. Look at this brake system. We have tire size 305, 35, rim size 20s, and these are all season tires. Have SRT Brembo brakes, massive brakes. Take a look at this trunk space in the back. There we go. Wow, lot of massive opening. This is actually bigger than a Camaro. Then up under here, we have your Harman and Kardon audio system, battery as well. Pretty nice that they put that system up under the car. That way it gives you a lot more trunk room. We actually have 60/40 rear split seats. Man, oh man. 392 badge is actually like printed into the car. This car's sharp. Guys, I would tell you the gas mileage ain't the best, but it's miles for miles on this car. All right, let's take this thing for a drive. Leg room in the back's pretty good. I mean, for shorter passengers. I fit back there, but it wasn't like the best fit, I will say. See your speed, oil temp, miles per gallon. if you change performance, you can see all of your cool gauges, oil life, battery intake, just everything that you need. There we go. It's pretty snowy out here, so I'm not gonna go like too crazy with the car. This Challenger has a very, very nice ride. Get adaptive damping suspension, which that is a plus. Say these seats in this Challenger feel very comfortable. Took this thing out for a 30-minute drive before. Just everything about it just feels amazing. I think the only thing that this Challenger is missing is a supercharger, but you still have that option with the Hellcat. And I love this engaging feel. Oh, there we go. I am very, very sad that Challenger's no longer gonna be making this car. Going full EV. And even in 6th gear, this car is just a very, very comfortable ride. Certain times you don't even feel like you're actually riding in this vehicle. Just a nice, comfortable drive and feel. So if I can have spec'd this car out any better, I don't know what else I would have chosen. I mean, this car is spec'd out very nice. Got all of what you need. Get your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, touchscreen radio. I mean, visibility on that backup camera isn't the best, but I mean, this Challenger has been around for decades. Still looks pretty nice. Visibility is great. The driving experience is what makes this car so nice. Just the comfortability, the feel, the firmness. That's what makes this car so, so sweet. Brakes feel pretty good, not too touchy, not too aggressive. I love how smooth this transmission is. Firmness and feel from it. This car is one hell of a muscle car. You know, I'm very, very disappointed that Dodge is going away with this car. I think you guys know, if you personally actually own one, that this car, if you give it full throttle, might as well open up your wallet, because you will be spending some money on gas. But it's just I don't know how to say it, you know, it's just that driving experience and that feel. You know, there's a lot of room in this car. I could have people behind me, have passenger beside me. Everything just feels nice. The steering wheel feels very firm. Tires feel meaty. I mean, the handling on this car is just pretty great, you know. Can't complain there at all. I mean, at 80 miles per hour, Dodge did an awesome job at blocking out as much wind noise as possible. Don't have much tire noise neither. And they love that option for the cruise control. That way if you get tired of resting. Do a resonator delete on this car. I think that's all you would need. Just a little bit more aggressive note. Other than that, this is Challenger. This Challenger's persuading itself for me to buy it. It's not, I don't even got to sell myself on it. It's doing it for me. Feels very, very planted. I would love to take this car out on the track. And just push it to its limits. But today we just did a daily drive, daily review, driving review, just to see what it's like to drive this Scatpack Widebody. Look, Challengers have been around for decades. They have not changed its body style other than adding the wide body, and it still just looks as good as it did years ago. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I'm about to stop in and grab me a drink. And I will catch you guys in the next video.